How to check call history in your iPhone after deleting it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can check all of your call history in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone calls and here you have to go into the recent. Now if you select the call log and as you can see that here is the option of the trash, you just have to select it and after that your call history is deleted. Now how you can recover it, for that you have to go back and go into your phone settings. From here you have to scroll down and here is the option of the phone, you just have to select it. Now from here you can see calls on the other devices, so you just have to toggle on and enable this icon and after that you are able to see other devices call history in your iPhone. So that's how you can check all of your call history in your iPhone after it's been deleted. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.